Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add pictures to TikTok videos. If you're using TikTok and you want to add pictures to your TikTok videos, let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your TikTok app and here just tap on this plus option to create a new video. And here if you want to add pictures to your videos, let's see how can you do that. Very first you have to try to record a video here and then tap on this done option. Now simply tap on this edit option here and then tap on this plus option and select the photo which you want to add. So let's say I'm going to add this one. Just select that, then tap on confirm. So once you have added, now you can easily add it or resize your photo or the video if you want, or you can add multiple photos, or you can also add a video here. Just tap on this add option, then tap on this camera and select the video, or you can also try to capture and make a video. Tap on turn option again. So here you can see that our video is ready now. You can move this if you want. So here you can see that our first we have a video here. So let's play this. Once we have a video, then the photo we have added, and then again the second video we have added. So just tap on this edit option or this next option here. Once you have done all the addition, just tap on this post option and your video will be posted with the photo. So in this way, you can easily add a picture or multiple photos to your TikTok video. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.